Hello everyone. Today we are going to teach you how to fold a dart. A very fun dart. You will need two square pieces of paper. Let's get started. First, put one piece aside. Fold one piece first. First, fold the top and bottom edges together. Then fold. Fold the top edge to the center line. Fold the bottom edge to the center line. Then fold the top and bottom edges together. Fold the left and right edges together. Alright, put it aside for now. Fold the other piece of paper. Fold it the same way as before. First, fold the top and bottom edges together. Fold the top edge to the center line. Fold the bottom edge to the center line. Then fold the top and bottom edges together. Rotate it. Fold the top and bottom edges together. Alright, now you have the long strips. Next, we will fold both pieces simultaneously. Fold this one to the right. Fold this one to the left. Alright, let's begin. Fold this one to the left. Fold this one to the right. Bring this over. Turn it over. Rotate it. Fold this corner to here. Fold this corner to here. Rotate it. Fold this corner the same way as before. Fold this corner to here. Set this aside. Fold the other one. Turn it over. Rotate it. Fold this corner to here. 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 Now you have the similar shapes. Turn this over. The side with the line should be on top. Then place it on top of the blue one. Insert this corner. Insert this corner as well. This side is done, turn it over. Insert this into the slot. Rotate it. Insert this corner as well. Tidy it up. Alright, our dart is now complete. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.